good morning. My name is Annalisa De Simone. I work for Michelin Group, and I am communication of scientific and innovation topics. And I'm here today at Moving On 2019 with Cyril Roger.
So Cyril Roger, I'm a director for scientific and innovation communication for the Michelin Group. Thank you, Annalisa.
So, Cyril, this year Michelin is again at Moving On. What is the new revelation that you did yesterday?
So yesterday we introduced a new revolutionary concept, a prototype called Michelin Optis, in partnership with a global manufacturer that is General Motors. So it's a really revolution for us because it's a first step toward our vision concept that we introduced at Moving On again back in 2017.
And what are the differences that you have between Vision that you presented in 2017 and Optis that you presented this year?
So Vision is really our polar star. It's a long-term vision where we assemble all the research projects that we are working on at Michelin. Basically, it's 4 pillars. The first one is airless technology. The second one is biomaterials and recycled material. The third one is connected ecosystem. And the last one is biodegradable thread that can be recharged with a 3D printer. And those 4 key pillars are essential elements that we assemble together in Vision. Optis, Michelin Optis, is the first step of these 4 pillars. It's the airless technology. So we must be able to demonstrate that we master airless technology. And this is what we announced yesterday with General Motors in the Michelin Optis prototype.
Okay, and what are the benefits that the final consumer will have thanks to Optis, this new prototype?
So the benefits are very important. First, if you imagine, we have been working, all the manufacturers have been working on tires for 120 years. And we have improved all performances, all of them, except one, the resistance to puncture. Because it's still a pressurized structure that we need to contain air inside. And we have not been able to solve that problem for 120 years, up to yesterday, where we announced Optis, because it's an airless technology. So there is no pressurized air into the structure. And this is very key for the consumer, because it's a resistance to puncture, so people won't fear to be stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire. And today, about 12% of people will experience a tire that they have to remove because of a puncture or a damaged tire. So it's very important. So this is something, serenity for the consumer, that is very important. The second element is for fleet managers, because today they have to check pressure in all the vehicles they have. Tomorrow, with Michelin Optis, they won't have to do that. So it's more productivity, more efficiency, plus the tire will always be at the, let's say, right pressure, because there is no pressure inside. So they will always have the right profile, and they will last longer. So that's another benefit for the fleet manager. Finally, there is also an environmental benefit for the planet, and this is very important where we are today at Moving On, because as I said, 12% of the tires are dismounted earlier due to the damage of the sidewall or puncture. And also another 8% of the tires are removed prematurely because they have what we call irregular wear. So they've developed a pattern due to the fact that people are not checking their pressure correctly, and they are using the tire at an incorrect level of pressure. So this is 20% of tires that are wasted every year earlier because they are not used or damaged at the end. So every year that represents 200 million tires that are discarded, let's say, before they were fully used. So this is very important because it's 2 million tons of material that have to be used every year to recreate tires, to replace the 200 million tires. That's 2 million tons of material is the equivalent of 200 times the Eiffel Tower weight. So it's very important. It brings a lot of benefits for the consumer, for the fleet owners, and also for the planet.
Thank you. So I think this is a real game changer for the future and of this automotive sector. So this future, when will it arrive? The date at which the consumer can buy this game changer?
So it's closer than you would think, because we have announced with General Motors that the first production vehicle that will have Optis will be delivered on the market in 2024. So in terms of car makers, it's tomorrow. So it's really closer to what we could think in terms of being able to be delivered to the consumer.
Thank you, Cyril.
You're welcome.